I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna show you how I apply my oil and my butter to get my beard looking great for the day. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that like button if you find good content here. While my beard is still damp, I'm going to apply my beard oil. And today I'm going to be applying my own blend. This one is the latest Frosty blend for the colder temperatures. Frosted lime, icy rum, and candy cane mint. Just a fantastic oil here. I'll show you what it looks like. Consistency. Put some on my hand, and you should do about a drop and a half. Get it all together like this in your hands and really dig deep into the skin. Just an amazing scent. I love this aroma. Very invigorating. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's my mustache. Any excess I put on my bald head that I just shaved. If you're wondering what I shaved my bald head with, MK17 by Hummingbird foil shaver in the shower, and it works fantastic. So what I'm gonna do now, after I put the oil in, I'm gonna comb it out. I'm gonna wait 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna put my beard butter in. If you're wondering what comb this is the Chicago comb number 8 wide tooth. I love this thing, works fantastic. You can see my beard is already soft. No snags. That oil really works well. Plus the beard conditioner that I have, that I've used today from BHT Grooming, Signature Wash, lathers, and does a great job cleaning your beard. All right, so I'm gonna wait and I'll be back. And in the meantime, gotta love the Alani Nu Witch's Brew. Not a paid endorsement for this company, but I like this stuff. All right, so now blow dry my beard. The way I do it is probably a lot different than a lot of other guys, and I really don't care because you do what works good for you. So I've got the oil, it's been sitting there for a few minutes, combed it out, and today I'm gonna use my own beard butter from BHT Grooming, unscented. If I can get that to zoom in. And this one's blank slate, kind of show you what it looks like, the new consistency. This is it right here. All right. Got the beard butter right there. Put it in my hands, melt it up where it melts completely. And then I'm just gonna put it in my beard like this. Still keeps that frosty scent in the beard, but this one will definitely soften your beard and lock in that moisture into the beard with that oil. It's all gonna work together really well. Now this was supposed to be a short video, and it's probably going to be a long video in an up and down 9:16 format. I really don't care. I probably should have did it in 16:9, but I didn't know it was going to take this long. But it's all good. All right, any excess, rub it on your bald head. And if you're not bald, I'm sorry. You know, not everybody's blessed like us bald guys. However, you can always rub it on your tattoos, or rub it on your stomach or your chest. I don't care where you rub it. Just get it off your hands, all right? Get a towel, whatever you need to do. All right, so again, all of this stuff can be found below. That's tagged from BHT Grooming. And I'm gonna use my Brio Vento hairdryer. I did do a review on this last year, I believe, the beginning of last year, I think, and my favorite hairdryer of all time. I'm gonna kind of just, mine, by the way, is set at 250. Just gonna hit that heat on it and just comb it down. And I'm telling you, the smell of this Frosty is just really nice. Hold that right there if you want to form your mustache. Putting some heat on it. I need a pipe. Eat on fire, the Sailor Man. It's almost what I feel like when I make that face. I know I'm kind of weird. I really don't care. If you want to really get some depth to it, add some fluff to it. You can go from the bottom up like this. And by the way, if your beard here, like right here, starts to kind of like dip in, you can always fix it by just kind of pushing it out like this with the comb, pulling it out and holding it with heat. Coming down. Boom. Looks pretty dang good. Now, just to top it off, I did do a review not too long ago on this bad boy, which is the go-to from Aberlite. It's a great, fantastic option when it comes to a heated brush. I like to use mine about 380, and I'm going to show you how I can fix this mustache. If you guys got mustache issues out there and it's kind of going one way and another the other way, this is a great option. You've got to make sure you have beard oil in your beard before you do this, or you will burn your beard. Boom. What do you guys think? Pretty good, right? And that's how I do it, guys. And then you're set, ready for the day. It doesn't matter how cold it gets outside. The Frosty blend will help you lock in that moisture into your beard and keep it safe from getting dry and brittle. Again, if you found good content here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more routines, more reviews like this, and more products from BHT Grooming that I'm putting out. So make sure you go check this out. The Frosty blend, the beard butter, the signature wash from BHT Grooming, and you're set to go for the winter time. I'm Chad, BHT Grooming, Beards, Heads, and Threads. Always remember, look sharp and lead strong.